Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on time on the hour. So these are just some exercises and we can practice telling the time and writing the time on the hour. For the following digital clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. Now you can pause this slide if you want and just answer these 4 questions. Now that's up to you whether you do that. I'm going to move on to the next slide now, and that will show the answers. So here we go to look at the answers. So that's 2 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. See, they're written in digital time here, obviously, because they're digital clocks. But when you actually say the time, that is actually how you say it, using o'clock because of the 2 zeros after each time. For the following analog clocks, write down the time shown on the screen. So these are analog clocks now, as you can see, they're not digital. So if you want to pause that for a few seconds to write the 4 answers, that's up to you. I will move on now to have a look at the answers. We have 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. Connect the same digital and analog times by using straight lines. So again, if you want to pause this video to do these questions, you can. I will move on now to have a look at the answers. Here we go. So 9 o'clock is there, that's the analog and digital. 4 o'clock is there, analog and digital. 6 o'clock is there, analog and digital. And 11 o'clock is there, analog and digital. Though this video has just presented a few exercises on showing time on the hour, and we've looked at digital and analog time.